Welcome. Today, we're exploring Desi.me, a tool specifically designed for managing and deleting unwanted online accounts. In our digital age, we often sign up for numerous accounts, many of which we forget about over time. Desi.me simplifies the process of tracking down these accounts and even offers the option to delete them, giving you control over your online presence in just a few clicks. Let's start with the basics. How does Desi.me work? Upon logging into the site, you'll connect your email address. Desi.me then scans for accounts associated with that email, providing a full list of services you've registered with. You'll be presented with options to either delete these accounts or keep them active. This step-by-step approach is not only user-friendly but also visually intuitive, making it easy for anyone, regardless of tech experience, to clean up old accounts. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the standout features of Desi.me is its simplicity. The site's clean interface and straightforward options let you view and manage your accounts quickly. Plus, the option to delete accounts directly through the site means you don't have to navigate each individual service's complex process. This is a real time saver and reduces the hassle of visiting multiple sites just to deactivate or delete old accounts. Desi.me is also privacy-focused, which is a big advantage in today's world. The service claims not to store your login credentials or email content. It merely identifies account information associated with your email. This focus on privacy and security makes it an appealing choice for anyone looking to reduce their digital footprint without exposing personal data. However, there are a few limitations to consider. The platform currently only works with major email providers, so if you're using a smaller or custom email domain, you might not get full access to its features. Additionally, while Desi.me identifies many accounts, it doesn't have integrations with every service, so you might still need to delete some accounts manually. Another drawback is that the site only functions for one email at a time, which can be restrictive for users with multiple emails. The service itself is free to use, which makes it accessible to everyone, but remember, it's not a comprehensive solution for complete online anonymity or removal from the internet. Desi.me helps clean up digital traces, but for a more in-depth email cleanup, I highly recommend Clean Email, another fantastic tool for email management. Check the link in the description for access to Clean Email, your go-to for organizing and managing your email inbox effectively. If you're someone who values privacy, Desi.me can be an efficient solution to help you minimize your online accounts. For those who want a cleaner, more organized digital life without the hassle of manually deactivating accounts, this tool is worth checking out. It may not cover every account, but does a great job with a majority. If this review helped you understand Desi.me, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.